Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize volume bar on Samsung Galaxy A06. Simply open the Chrome, search here up to down, tap on this website, tap on search here sound assistant, simply tap on this application, scroll down, simply tap on download. As you can see, downloading is started. Tap on open, go in settings, allow the permission, tap on install, simply open the sound assistant application, give the permissions, simply allow it. Now go in, make your own volume panel colors, simply enable the flex volume UI. If you scroll down, here you get multiple lightning effects. For example, I am selecting this one. If you scroll down more, here you get textures, mesh, here you get control type, bar and knob. For example, if I select knob, now let's try the knob. You can simply decrease and increase volume like this. I am selecting bar again. If you scroll down more, here you get bar shapes. This one, and this one. Multiple shapes are available. You can simply customize it. This is how you can customize volume bar on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.